Yeah.
That's a great way because tomorrow if you go ahead with any freelancing venture or if you want to go ahead with a job placement, you can show as an actual credible experience that you're currently working for this business. Okay, very good evening. How's your day
Good
going?
evening. Good morning.
All right, great. So, Akash, the purpose of this session is for me to take your progress update for our usual records. So just quickly take me through whatever you've learned so far in summary, in short.
Actually, I done with Webdialog. I
Okay.
had completed like 10 websites.
Wow, that's nice. Nice. So what do you do currently with your 24 hours?
I'll be working with sisters like Insta and FB handling like
Okay.
posting reels
Okay,
and
okay.
updating the update.
So you're like doing the core business development for your sister's business, correct?
Yeah.
That's a great way because tomorrow if you go ahead with any freelancing venture or if you want to go ahead with a job placement, you can show as an actual credible experience that you're currently working for this business. So talking in regards to job placement, Akansh, what is your priority
Yeah.
right now?
Like in Bangalore, any job, I'll try to do the first one.
All right, perfect, perfect. So you're looking for a pan-India placement itself, correct? So do you have any specific target package in your mind that you want to aim for?
No, it's not yet.
No?
Not
Then you
yet.
should start thinking about it, right? Because
Yeah.
the first thing you should think is how much money I can make per month through this. So I need you to start thinking about the pay scale, that figure in your mind that you want to earn, you would like to earn in 2024, that you can not just take care of yourself, but your family as well. All right, great. And last thing, think over it about the IT thing, because you have nothing to lose. You might as well just give it a shot. You never know. So it's not like you have to mandatory make a career in IT, but if you put even a simple skill like data analytics on your resume, you have no idea how much impact that will put, even if you're going for a non-IT job placement or any freelancing venture whatsoever. So if you're getting it in the membership that you have already paid for, why are you saying no to it? Just try to utilize it, use it to its maximum levels. That's what we want from you. Okay, that's about it, and all the very best